Hello, today I'm going to go over how to use the new audio-video conferencing system that we have installed in rooms 105, 104, and 106, and 101. Many of you have noticed this new system in place, and I want to kind of give you a brief overview of how to use it. First thing, when you walk into the room, you're going to notice the display. This display is a remote control, and you can actually remove it from the wall by just firmly grasping it and pulling it from the wall, just like this. As you can see, there is a magnetic bracket located here, and you can actually take this with you, and you can even set it on the ground, on the table, or on your lap if you'd like to control it. Or you can just control it from the wall. To put it back easily, just set it up against the wall here, and you'll notice the magnetic strip will pull it up against the wall, and it'll be firmly in place. Now, to know that you've got it firmly in place, if you look up here, you're going to see a lightning bolt. This means it is being charged. So if you do happen to take it from the wall, make sure this little lightning bolt is visible. If not, it means it's not firmly placed and you need to kind of wiggle around to adjust it, but typically it will show up. Now, as far as the controls, are very basic. You have three options on activities that you can do. When you first walk into the room, the TV should be in the off position, as it is right now. To enable a function, you have to decide what you want to do for the day. You've got three different options here. You have connect to Microsoft Display, connect to Skype Meeting, and connect to Chromecast. I will have three other video series that will explain what each of these specific functions do, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you the general use of how to select your inputs. So the first thing you can do is click on connect to Microsoft Display, which I will do right now. You just, with your finger, tap it, and then you'll see it says connect to Microsoft Display. Now, if you look over the TV, and it may take several moments to activate, which is normal, you will see the TV come on, and then you should see some cool stuff here. Here, there you go. Now you can see the Microsoft wireless adapter is available for you. This is a new piece of technology that we've installed that allows you to wirelessly beam your laptop to this screen. Again, we'll go over this in another series. Now, let's say that you want to change your input. You have a couple options. You can either turn off the whole system altogether by hitting the off button, or you can switch to a different input. For example, some of you have used the Chromecast here in the past to connect your laptop. So just click on Connect to Chromecast. And then when you look over at the screen, you'll notice that your input has changed, and now you can see the Chromecast available to you. And again, I will go over how to connect to the Chromecast in another series. And finally, we have the input called Connect to Skype Meeting. If I click on this, the same thing will happen. It's a little hard to control it from my phone. There we go. It says Connect to Skype Meeting, and then now you see the computer input has changed. This input is available if you want to have a Skype meeting with somebody, where you actually can use a keyboard and mouse located on the table, or it should be actually in this home location on this table here, and be able to use it just like a computer and click on Skype and create a Skype meeting. And again, I will go through this in another series and give you further instruction on how this works. Now, after you're finished doing whatever kind of presentation or activity or function that you need, after you're done, go ahead and turn off the system. To turn off the system, you simply press the power button indicated by this little icon right here. If you press this, it'll turn it off. And now you see powering off. And then you'll see that the TV is turned off. Once everything is turned off, you're good to go. And the room is ready for the next presenter or attendee. Again, if you have any questions using the system, do not hesitate to talk to Ken or I, or send an email to support, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Again, we've got more videos on the way on more cool things to show you, so stand by and look forward to helping you out.